Hello guys, this is Atikul Islam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to implement Facebook audience network dependency in your app. Also, I'm going to solve this type of problem like this without wasting any more time. So let's get started. At first, open your browser and go to Google and search implement Facebook audience network. Then you will see this type of interface. Open the first page, then you will see like this. Left top corner you will see some options. Find the platform setup options and click here. I'm going to set up this as Android apps purpose. That's why I'm select Android category and click here get started. Scroll down and you will see some directions. Here describe what we need to do. Now I'm going to open Android Studio and create an empty project. You can see my Android Studio opening now. Now I'm going to open new project. Select the empty projects, click the next, and then you will see this type of interface. Here you will change your app name. If all is okay, you click the finish button. Then you will wait a minute. You can see my app is ready. Now I'm going to Gradle scripts and click the app level build Gradles. So here we scroll down and you can see here is a dependency. Now I'm going to add a Facebook audience network dependency. So I'm type here comment tag and here Facebook ads. Now I'm going to browser and you can see it's a dependency, so I'm copy it. Once you copy it, go to Android Studio and type here implementations. Copied item, paste it here. Once it is done, you click here sync now. Now I'm click the bold option and wait a minute. You can see bold successfully, but there is one error. So how can I solve it? It is a simple and common error in Android Studio. Okay, so let's solve it. Now we go to gradle.properties. So I'm click here. Here I add two-line codes. Where you find these two-line codes? This two-line code I provide you in my video description box. Now I copied these two-line codes and paste it here. You can see there is one error just because first line code is already added. So I'm remove it. Once it is removed, click the sync now and then I click the bold option and you can see my project is successfully built without any error. This video just I talk about how to implementation Facebook audience network dependency without any error. Next video I will told you how to implement banner ad. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you watching this video.